Gold has given a good swing yesterday with the data, but remember I told you 1865 70 till 70 we have got stronger resistance precisely from 1870 levels. Gold has reversed, and I asked you to sell at 1854, and see it has achieved 1843 levels on the downside. I hope you all profited. Now what to expect in gold, and likewise the silver has traded mostly bearish, failing to sustain at a $22 levels. It has traded bearish and went till towards 2160. So which position we should take in order to profit today? Trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Listen to it carefully. Trade as per the levels. Now look at the hourly charts here. See, consistently lower highs are getting created. This is the data high and data low. With the help of data, it has shown a good swing on the upside and downside. Now the real movement is being there, and since then we are just having lower highs here. And if you connect the dots also here, lower lows. Now see 1840, I have told you several times in last few weeks, and in fact this week also I told you 1840 is going to be a very good support level below which it may try to crash more. Right now, yesterday also it sustained these levels. Now if you look at the hourly charts, right now it is trading in this downward trending channel. On the upside now, you have to wait again. As I said, 1865 is definitely a very good resistance level on the upside. At the same time, on the hourly charts now, 1850 giving it a very good support. See this candle, it tried to breach on the downside, failed to do so. Let's have a further look before we arrive at the levels. Directional movement trying to cross over for a sell, stochastic dropping vertically on the downside. And if you look at the MACD, this is also crossed again, and now trading on the sell side here. RSI at bottom and trading flat. And if you look at 2 now, see on the 2-hour charts, another important observation, look at this higher highs and you can see higher lows, and you can see higher highs for last 5 candles, 5 to 6 candles. And if you look at these candles, there are still a couple of highs which we had seen, but the most important part is this one I am looking at, as it is trying to trade bearish here. So now 1.1865 is a good comfortable safe entry level. Yes, you can buy at 1860 also, same levels what we saw yesterday. 1860 is a buy level, but then remember 1865 and 70, these two levels you should note, and only if it trades above 1870 we may see bullishness. Now look at the last few candles, higher lows are seen, and I will wait for this candle how far it goes. Once it trades below 1847, you can sell again, but then be watchful till 1840 levels. Very good support exists here. Now look, directional movement trying to converge, crossover for a sell, stochastic comfortable. The MACD is in green trying to crossover for a sell. RSI looking down here. If you look at 3-hour chart, now see, just observe last few candles on the charts here, you can see. So trying to consolidate and wait for it to give a breakout either which ways. Directional movement here is also bearish, stochastic flat. MACD is in green, however trading without any divergence. RSI flat. And if you look at 4-hour charts, now look at 4-hour charts, this is the first candle here getting the resistance from the 20 period moving average at 1860 levels. And yes, higher lows, lower highs are seen, still indecisive here. Directional movement is also bearish, trying to cross over for the buys, however not so bullish here. Stochastic flat, MACD green, trading without any divergence. RSI looking down here. And if you look at the daily charts, now see on the daily charts, the previous candle was of indecision. It has achieved higher highs, lower lows, and closed the day on a doji here. And if you look at, see, this is a good swing zone, 1840 now, 1840, 1870. Previously it was 1850, 1870 in which it was trying to trade. Now it is 1840, 1870. And if you look at, it is still giving you lower highs, lower lows, which is still a bearish indication. So probably today, once it trades below 1847, we might see it dropping till towards 1840, which is definitely a good support here. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic at bottom. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge. Now one important factor in gold here is, see, the stock MACD has achieved the highs of this candle, and it is trying to lower down the candles. Possibly this is an indication that it may try to converge a bit, and the RSI is looking down. So only buy entries above 1860, but then 1865, 1870 levels you should watch out for. Only above 1870 we may see bullishness. So buying levels is confirmed, and it is above 1860. And on the sell side, see 1847 levels only I will recommend you to sell. Expect it to drop till towards 1844, 1840 levels. And these are going to be very, very good support, as you have seen couple of candles giving higher lows on the 3-hour charts. Possibly it is trying to consolidate and wait for it to give a good breakout, and hence you have to be cautious of 1840-44 zone, only below which further bearishness will be seen. So take your trades accordingly. In between 47 and 50, 47 and 60, do not try to take any position. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts in first week of March. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, these are the early charts of silver. $22 level certainly is a very, very good resistance. And now it has seen a good drop till towards 21. Look at the complete movement so far is within this candle. Yes, it is giving you lower highs consistently, and also it is trading below the support levels at 2180. 2180 was a good support. Now it is trading below this. Also, if you look at these candles here, see multiple candles either getting the support at 2170 or getting the closing at 2170. Hence, yes, you can sell at 2170, but then expect 2160 and 2150, and 2150 is definitely a very, very good support. Yes, on the downside now it is restricting its movement, as it is traded in a sell zone for a little while now. Hence, you can sell at 2170, but be alert till 2150, below which only little more bearishness will be seen. Directional movement crossing over for a sell, stochastic dropping here vertically. The MACD is in green but trying to cross over for a sell here. RSI looking down, showing little drop here. And if you look at 2 hour, now if you look at 2-hour charts, look at the previous two candles and look at the highs there. See lower highs, resistance there at 2190 is seen. With that is resistance, it is trying to drop, and see the previous two candles are consolidation. This is a breakout. Possibly once it trades below 2170, you can expect that there could be little more drop, but then be cautious of 2160 and 2150. These two levels are definitely something you should watch out for. Only below 2150 there will be little more bearishness. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic looking down again. The MACD is in green trying to converge. RSI is looking down, showing little weakness. And if you look at 3-hour chart, on the 3-hour chart, sharp drop, consolidation, a little drop, and again consolidation, but in bearish channel. Yes, it is getting the resistance on the upside from the 20 period moving average line on the 3-hour chart, that is now situated at around 2190 level. So yes, you can buy at 2190. Expect 22, 2210, these are good, and then 2220 levels. So these three levels you should watch out for. Beyond that only we can consider it for a bullish move. Now look at 3-hour chart. See, it is formed a wick. It is trying to look down. Possibly we may see 2170, 2160 levels soon again. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic looking down here. The MACD is in green trying to converge. RSI trying to look downwards. And if you look at 4-hour charts, you see on the 4-hour charts, look at the near term charts, and you can find lower highs, higher lows are seen. So still on the downside. See, be as I said, yes, you can sell at 2170, but be cautious still towards 2260 levels and 2160 and 2150 levels, only below which further bearishness will be seen. Till the time you have to trade with a trailing stop loss. Right now it is trying to trade in this bearish channel, which is still giving lower highs, lower lows. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic has recovered a bit. The MACD is in green trying to converge here. RSI is trying to look downwards, indicating little weakness. Look at the daily charts. Now see, on the daily charts, it is classically formed. This is first step, drop. This is second step. Now it is trying to look forward to a drop, and see the movement here, 2250 to 22. Now it is this slab is 22 to 2150. So possibly it is trying to create this step, and it may try to take it till towards 2150 levels, and hence you can sell here at 2170, but then be cautious of 2150. We may see a good support there. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic is oversold here. The MACD is bearish. It may try to converge. RSI is at bottom. And this also gives or opens one more interesting aspect is if it trades about 2190 and breaks beyond $22 levels, trading about 2210 is something you can expect that it is trying to reverse here. So that is one probability that you should always take into account. These are markets and it can reverse any point of time. Hence 2190 is a good level for you to enter for a position, and 2170 is a good level for you to sell, but then be cautious till 2150 levels. Achieving this, it can bounce back again. So take your trades accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. And yes, below 2150 we may see a good sharp drop there till 2140, 2120 levels. Take your trades accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, join my mentorship batch, join my signals group, reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.